Well, welcome back. 2006 Honda Odyssey. Just did front struts in it. Needs rear shocks as well. We're going to do the rear shocks in this. What's nice from what I can tell is you don't have to go inside to do this. There's all the mount and bolts are through the wheel well. We're going to pull the wheel off. We should be able to do everything from outside without having to take any trim panels or anything off the inside. Should be pretty quick, pretty easy. We'll see. Alright, so I've got the wheel off on this side. Basically you've got two bolts at the top here. One stud and one bolt come out, and then underneath, try to show you this here, right on top of it, so you might not be able to see it. Right there, I don't know if you can see that, right there, there's one bolt. You have to undo that 17 millimeter here, 14 millimeter at the top. We're just going to take them off. And 14, as I said before. One, two. Now we're going to go underneath. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you this or not, but we're going to try to. Alright, we'll try to see if we can get this with a small gun. 17 millimeter. Let's see. Okay. Now, got the top undone, pull it off of there. These are a little bit tough to get off of here. What I have to do is kind of compress it down and push this off. It doesn't like to come off very easily. Try to see if we can wiggle this a little bit off of here. I think it's kind of hung up on it. There it goes. I'll break that bushing loose. There we go. It's a little difficult, but not too bad. There it goes. So you can see this shock is not expanding at all. It's just not. It's pretty dead. A little bit, not much though. Got the new shock here. We're actually going to feed that down in and just let it go down past the bottom mount. Hang it on the stud. Get these two bolts started up top before you even go down the bottom. Normally shocks come with a little strap on them. These did not. So it's a little different. They have strap compressed, it'd be a lot easier, but unfortunately that is not the case. Okay. And what we found is to do the bottom, the easiest way to do these is use a floor jack. This car's up on jack stands, so it's safe. So use the floor jack, and we're going to push up on the bottom of this and line it up with the stud that it goes on and push it into place. So we've got this, we've got to turn it. We get the jack on now. Let me get my where's my, back up a little bit. All right, just covering up my parts. All right, go ahead up. Go ahead, hold on, keep going. Keep going, you got about an inch. A little more, a little more. Hold it right there. Oh, I missed. Let it down a little bit. Alright, go ahead. Go ahead up. Hold. Go ahead. Right there, hold still. Up a little more, just a little. A little more. Right there. Alright, get it started like that. Just going to tap it on here. I pick it up just a little bit. A little more. I'm not hitting it very hard here. I'm not really hitting it very hard. I'm just tapping it on. Alright, drop the jack down. That's it. This would have been a lot easier if it came with a strap, but it does not. So just tap it on there like that. Put your washer back on. Nut back on. That's it. Put the wheel back on. That's all it takes. Alright, well that's it. 2006 Honda Odyssey rear shocks. Really simple. The trick for these particular shocks, here's the part number. It's Monroe OE Spectrum 37316. Same for both sides in the back. Trick is to put the top 2 bolts in first, then use a floor jack to push up on that bottom mount and get it lined up with the stud, and then just tap it onto the stud. Because these don't come with that plastic, tether that holds them compressed, they don't go on there very easy. They're not easy to compress. You see how bad the old ones were. They're pretty shot, right? Not very hard at all to push in. The other ones are a lot harder, so they do expand somewhat. This one's hardly moving, but they're pretty dead. They're done. Pretty easy job. Real simple to do. Like I said, 10 or 15 minutes aside. If you have to do this for your car, hope it helps you out. If you like the video, subscribe below. Thanks for watching.